Hello, my name is Panagiotis and I'm a junior user experience designer. Let me talk about my latest project on user experience design. The problem I had to face was to create an application that helps people find professionals and cover their problem. That can be a designer, a developer, or any other kind of professional. The challenge, of course, is the high competition, since there are many websites and applications who offer the same thing. I'm going to follow the user-centered design process. You can follow many UX processes like design thinking, like Lean UX or design sprints. All depend on how much available time you have, and if we speak for an already launched product or a brand new one. I begin my process with some research on my competitors, and then I do some research for my users. This is going to show me what my competitors do right or wrong and where are my opportunities. And then I'm going to ask my users about these opportunities, what they expect and what they need from an application like the one I'm going to design. After that, I'm going to create an affinity map like the one you see behind me. I'm going to create personas, user flows, mental models, site mapping, and all the other necessary steps until I reach the first version of very low fidelity wireframes. I prefer to go for rapid wireframing, where I design as many screens as possible in a matter of 3 minutes, let's say, for any screen. This is going to help me decide among more ideas of the same screen, on the same screen. And after that, I'm going to create low fidelity prototypes, make some quick user testing, and after that, I'm going to create more detailed wireframes on the SketchUp, following grid lines and other design principles in order to move from low to mid fidelity and make my user testings. This is going to help me get feedback from real users about how they feel using my application, what they think I can do better, where they face problems, where they struggle, and what they really like about it. Once I get all the feedback, I'm going to redesign my application, and if necessary, I'm going to conduct a second row of user testings. Once this cycle is over, I'm going to create high fidelity mockups, pixel to pixel perfect. And if necessary, I'm going to conduct some preference testing for the screens which are very important for the flow. And this is where my process ends. I have created a design which is actually usable, useful, and fun to use according to real users' feedback. And this is the secret of any successful product or service. Thank you for watching.